gotta say, Twitch?
Don't y'all listen to that man right there. He's crazy.
Oh, no doubt.
I think he's on that stuff.
100% crazy. Crazy.
So I can mail it off.
Crazy. Fucking wild man.
White boy.
Yeah. Alright, which side do we start from? That's the easy one to do. Oh! Oh, man. I'm gonna go to sleep. Oh, yeah. You ready?
What y'all doing over there?
Yeah. I'm trying to take a nap. Alright. Go. Why'd you take the seat out?
So I could get in here and do my wiring over the day.
Yeah. It was a son of a bitch to do the damn AC stuff with the fucking seat in there.
I know, and it wasn't 2 bolts, so I took it out. Why didn't you
Put it right here, you can see.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
If we don't get any air out, we're going to put the vacuum bleeder on. Alright.
It's all fluid, bud. Go.
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 One more time.
Okay, that's just it flexion with the road.
No, I'm just making sure everything was tight.
Woolwoods don't do that because they're a solid mount. These are not solid mount. These move right here and right here.
Well, I just wanted to make sure that wasn't giving us an issue.
Butt in the back. How much we got back here? Alright, and the other way.
Oh. Got that much from touching the fender in the front.
Okay.
See, I can stick my finger in it.
If we put a brace on it and pull it out or in, because if it hits a bump, it may hit.
Mr. BJ, quick question.
Turn it a little more. What's your question?
The 2 sawhorses you got set up.
That's me. Leave that there.
Leave that there.
Yeah. For
All
now.
right, how much you got?
Is that where it's the closest?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Come here, Twitch.
She'll rub. She'll rub.
Will it?
Yep. We're gonna have to push
down
out on it.
Push down over there.
Ready?
Bounce it.
Go.
Oh, she be tight. She might not. She's gonna be tight.
Turn it a little bit further. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
OG for real. We may have done used them.
Those hands done wrenched about 1,000,000 bolts.
Man. Tighten that side up.
So what are you doing now? Torquing the bolts?
No. Loosening it off where we can put shims in it.
Alright, yeah.
That was gonna jump.
16ths instead of 8s.
You done broke a sweat.
I'm just fat.
Yeah, you get like that too.
Yeah, see how far the nuts out?
Oh, yeah. How long would it take you to make one that was just like a...
10 minutes.
What would I make it out of?
No, you tell me.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yep.
Tell me what you'd make it out of. Where does it need to go?
This side of the car is a half-inch lower than that.
What is that, Twitch?
A fender brace.
Fender brace.
Where does it go?
Alright, it doesn't
the
matter
fender.
where it goes. Can you make one?
Right here.
I
The bottom of the fender.
Aye.
To the inner fender. Break, it pushes this to the right spot.
Time for class. You want to learn, it's time to learn, baby boy.
We'll make 2 flat tabs. You can take this right here. If you can use all kind of shit today.
Okay, I got you.
Are you ready for the test, Twitch?
I am. I'm ready for class.
Grab a marker. Lay that joker up there. Mark around, mark the hole, mark the back. Cut it with the grinder. Drill the hole first.
Alright.
Cut it with the grinder.
Twice or 4 times.
4 times, and then we'll weld them on the ends of those.
Okay.
You will weld them on the ends of those.
Okay.
Then you'll take the grinder and grind it up and make it look presentable.
Okay.
Sure, the welds ain't gonna be perfect.
All right, look. You're gonna cut that bar there and there.
Okay.
This is, see the X? What's the X mean?
That means not used.
Go, girl.
That's
Alright, remember, anytime you're working on this table, grinding, cutting, anything, see those blankets? They have to be pulled out. That way the sparks don't hit that car.
okay.
And you're gonna use this chop. So you wanna take this off?
When you cut this, you're gonna cut the line. If it were me, I'd drill the holes before you cut them. Don't mess it up.
I won't. I'll do my best. I promise. Good night.
You gotta have 4 of those. This is day 1 at 610 Education. Switch.
Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay.
Tighten it up. I didn't tighten it, I just snugged it. Easy, dog. That's it.
Okay.
Overachiever.
Pull the trigger and go down.
Oh.
Got him!
That ain't even right, dude.
What?
Why would y'all do that to me?
What the fuck, y'all? God damn! God damn! God damn!
You ain't gonna get a rag and wipe it off? It must be water from the thing.
What is it?
I don't know, but
Smell it.
I'm about ready to slap it.
Smell
I'm
it.
not gonna smell it. It's probably that stuff. I hate y'all. Why y'all gotta do that to me? Right there?
Yeah. That blade's an 1/8 of an inch thick.
Okay.
So if you got the mark on this side, you're gonna take an 1/8 off.
I get you.
So make sure your line is right at it or cut the line off. You'll always be good.
Alright.
Now you use the grinder with the cutting wheel right here to cut these out. After you drill your hole,
Yeah.
this blade's gonna spin this way.
I understand.
Make sure it pulls away from you, because
I
if you
got
cut that bitch like that.
Yes.
Alright.
I got you.
Okay.
I've used the this wheel before.
Okay.
I was actually about to cut this rod with that, and I didn't realize that this was set up.
No, if you need a true flat cut, you always use the chop saw. Like all our square, cube, and angle, anything we cut big like that, we use this.
Okay.
If we got to cut stuff out or sheet metal, we use that.
Okay.
Anything that won't fit in here.
Okay. try to start with a big hole that has a tendency to make the hole triangle instead of round.
Okay.
Because the drill bits are so sharp, you start with a little hole, it'll make it a round hole.
I got you.
Get that thing away from me.
You still got 2 more little holes to drill.
I know.
What size drill bit is that?
That is 11/32.
What size are you going to? Because I'm pretty sure the hole needs to end up being a 5/16. So let's drill it with this one.
Well, I just did it based off of that. Okay.
And I believe this end is threaded.
Oh, so I gotta tap it out. Okay.
So if you're going to tap this to 5/16, you can't drill the other 2 holes to 5/16. But you can put the 5/16 in there and drill them. Right there, 76.
All right, that's up on the ridge.
Okay. And we'll end up putting plywood up here to make it a full flat floor to put wood on. I figure if we come to right here with our wall, they want luggage in the back.
Okay.
So we can come up to here with our wall.
It don't mess with AC.
It don't mess with the AC. And the back's gonna get a bench. So we can leave this open with an access panel and put all our stuff under this bench. You follow me?
Mm-hmm.
All our power inverters, extra battery.
Under the bench.
Under the bench. That way, and we can even put a hinge on the bench to lift it up to access all that, but I'd rather not. That way they can't access it.
All right, but the wall's gonna go to the floor.
Yep.
So we're gonna make it access this way?
Oh no, the wall will come down to here
And then do the
with
bench.
a hole in it with an access panel that screws over.
Okay.
And we'll just get one of those vent returns, big vent return covers for a house, and screw that over so it has ventilation. Vent. 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 That way it essentially blows and it pulls it back to the front. That gives him 18 inches of luggage.
Yeah. What if we run it to this?